Hi everyone, this is Asus TUF Gaming AX4200, and in this video I will show you how to hard reset this router and restore factory defaults. Of course, you can grab a pin, press the button on the back panel for 5 seconds and just close this video because you're all set. Or you can watch the video till the end and see how advanced users take advantage of the hard reset feature, including creating backups and restoring settings. Let's get into it right now. Hard reset using a button on a router is reasonable only if for some reason you need a fresh start. For example, you've forgotten your admin password, or you need completely different settings in your router. You move to another place and want to set up your network from scratch and so on. But in other cases, if you want to do hard reset just to fix some issues with your router, first I recommend you to create a backup, because let's go to settings and you can see how many settings here you can adjust. So if you have quality of service settings, VPN, LAN internet settings, parental controls, many devices connected to your router and so on, you will have to set up everything from scratch after hard reset. So to avoid this, in this menu, scroll down and find System Settings, and then tap on Setting Backup. And just tap on Save Settings, but before, make sure you're logged into your Asus account, because if you are not logged in and you will uninstall this application, your backup will be also deleted. So you need to cloud storage from Asus to save your backup somewhere. So they support login with Google. So you need just tap on this icon, log in with Google or Apple or Facebook to your Asus account, then go to Settings and save a backup. After this, you can go back to this menu and restore factory defaults right from here. Just tap on that, tap on yes, and after fresh setup, just go back to this menu, go to Settings Backup, and tap on Restore Your Router, select your latest backup, tap on Apply, and enjoy. And in general, the common recommendation is to create backup right after you have a successful configuration, and also each time after you have major changes in your settings. Do not wait until you have some problems with your router. Just save your successful configuration and restore, just in case you need a hard reset to fix problems. Also, sometimes you don't even need a hard reset. Try a reboot first if you have connection issues. In the same menu, System Settings, System Settings, you have Reboot over here. So just reboot your system, and probably in 80% of cases your problem are going to disappear. One more thing to show you is how to backup, reset and restore from a computer. This is a bit different process. So what you need is connect your computer to Asus router's Wi-Fi network, or connect via cable, doesn't matter. Then open a web browser and in the search bar type in asusrouter.com, or you can enter the router's IP address. By default for Asus routers it looks like this, so type in this value in the search bar, hit enter on your keyboard. It takes you to the login page, and you should know these credentials, login and password, because you've created them yourself on the router setup. So sign in as administrator, scroll down and find administration. Here click on that, then switch to restore save upload setting, and first let's create a backup. Click on save setting, and it's going to create a backup file this time. So it creates the file in your downloads folder. You can move it to some safe place, for example to your flash drive. Then you can restore factory defaults right from this menu. Set up your routers from scratch. On setup, I recommend you to use the same Wi-Fi network name and password as before, so that your devices will connect automatically to your freshly created network. And then go back to this menu using the default IP address. Click on Restore Settings, find the file on your flash drive or in another folder where you save it, and double click on that. And just wait until this line fills to 100% and you're all set. And that's how to use a hard reset the smart way. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.